river, they got wind, and 9 months of sunshine. I mean, the sun never, and for 9 months, you wake and it's just blue sky sunshine.
I know nothing about that.
You're sick of, you know, maybe this rain is a little cold sometimes. It's like, spend 350 pounds and come to the Gambia. They have package deals, you can get them right on the internet. Come back 1 week, you'll feel refreshed. So, with that, I'd like to thank everybody that gave us this opportunity to come in the Welsh Assembly Government, and our esteemed professors, and our master's degree, GPS. Andrew, thank you very much for taking us and bringing us back safely. Thank God for Andrew. I don't want to, you know, go too long, but I just want to say one more thing. My friend, he doesn't like me because we argue too much about the genetically modified. I've come to rethink this thing, and because I was born in America, my grandfather was American, his grandfather was American, but my ancestors were slaves that came over to America maybe 400 years ago. So we don't have any language, and we don't have anything else, but I started thinking to myself, I said, you know, I'm a genetically modified African. Tomatoes can't be all that bad.
Great. Genetically modified African.
No,
okay, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you.
He's from the government. Well, we are all from the private sector here, you know. Well, I think everybody can see me here. Okay. Okay. Well, good evening, everybody. I just want to thank the Welsh Assembly Government for organizing this type of program for the private sector somehow. Because I came here, but I was not really willing to come here somehow. Because of whatever. My colleagues know about it.
Can you say?
Because you can, well, okay, I can say that's no problem. I'm just married for about. It was very difficult for me coming here. My accepting my coming here was somehow very difficult. And coming here as a government officer and then working in the business side is somehow very confusing somehow, as my lecturer can. Well, I'm always very confused. How can I relate this to the government sector somehow, and how can I bring this into government things into somehow? You understand? So it's somehow very difficult for me. But well, I can say a very big thank you to him for what he has done, because right now I'm thinking of what I can do for myself and starting my own private business.
Oh, you're thinking of you're thinking of leaving the government.
Not anywhere but on the renewable energy side. So I'm trying to come up with something there with my professor and my how can I say, my engineer or something.
That's Chris Dean.
So I really want to thank the Welsh government on behalf of the government of the Gambia for organizing such training for different countries in the Gambia. It was really encouraging, and I was really impressed with different technologies I've seen here. I've seen here somehow. It's really encouraging. And as I talked to him today, that is my lecture today, that I will try to bring this technology to my country, talk to the government and see how best we can, because I can see that we have more abundant waste than you guys here. I can say that somehow, because we are seeing them and we are not making any good use of them somehow. So I believe that with the help of my colleagues, we can be able to put something together. And well, the government is something that is not something easy somehow to deal with. I believe that with the help of my colleagues, we can pursue them into something that can bring a benefit to the country through a waste time. Thank you all.